Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Harbour Light Family Resort. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools and a free parking. Harbour Light Family Resort located in North Wildwood. Harbour Light Family Resort provides 2-star accommodations with private balconies. Featuring family rooms, this property also provides guests with a terrace. Local points of interest like Splash Zone Water Park and Morey's Piers are reachable within 1.9 miles and 1.9 miles, respectively. At the motel, the rooms are equipped with a patio. Complete with a private bathroom equipped with a hairdryer, guest rooms at Harbour Light Family Resort have a flat-screen TV and air conditioning, and selected rooms contain a seating area. At the accommodation, each room includes bed linen and towels. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.